In the heart of this dazzling landscape, a chubby orange clown cat named Marmalade prances into view. His fur is a riot of tangerine and cream, with oversized blue clown shoes flopping with every step. The mirror looms before him, wavy and warped, promising endless giggles. Marmalade's eyes twinkle with mischief as he approaches, tail swishing in anticipation. Marmalade glances over his shoulder, making sure no one is watching too closely, then puffs out his cheeks and straightens his tiny polka-dot bow tie. His reflection stretches and squashes in the funny mirror, turning his rotund belly into a wobbly oval and his whiskers into wild zigzags. Marmalade cannot help but giggle, a bubbly sound that makes a nearby balloon pop with excitement. Marmalade begins his goofy dance. Confetti cannons fire in the background, and the ground sparkles with iridescent glitter. With a dramatic twirl, Marmalade leaps into a series of exaggerated dance moves. He wiggles his round bottom, does a clumsy somersault, and spins with such wild abandon that his clown hat teeters dangerously. The funny mirror reflects each move in hilarious distortion. One moment he is long and noodle-like, the next a bouncing ball of fluff.
Look at me now, world, the silliest dancer in all of Toonville.
Benny Bunny, with his floppy ears and infectious giggle, hops closer, eyes wide with delight.
Marmalade, you're a superstar. Do the wobbly walk again.
Marmalade obliges, crossing his eyes and wobbling side to side, making the crowd roar even louder. Marmalade dances. The mirror suddenly sparkles with magical energy, sending swirling colors across the square. The floor beneath him undulates like jelly, and the whole world seems to join in the dance. Marmalade is lifted by the music and the cheers, spinning faster and faster. Balloons burst into bursts of confetti, and the funny mirror projects dozens of silly reflections out into the world, each one sillier than the last.
Let's all dance together. Silly is the best way to be.
Marmalade smiling at his reflection in the now gentle mirror. Marmalade bows deeply, his eyes shining with joy. He gives the mirror a playful wink, knowing he brought laughter and light to everyone in Toonville. As fireflies begin to twinkle in the dusk, Marmalade spins one last time, his heart as full as the cartoon moon above.